So for the situation in which patients have to face, well, should I do endodontic treatment, basically root canal treatment, or should I go with the option of the surgical approach and replace the tooth with an implant? I always advise to all the patients, if the tooth is already too damaged from the restoration standpoint, as in the crown doesn't stick enough to the tooth, or the root is too infected, as in the infection has gone out of the root canal system into the bone, most of the time the best solution for that is to replace it with an implant. An implant is just basically a titanium screw shape type of material that we place to replace the root or remainings of a root or a missing tooth in that position, just to replace the function, aesthetics, and the occlusion of that tooth. If a tooth is savable, is restorable, and the infection is still within the root canal system, and you can ask that to your doctor if you have a question, then what you should go is trying to be conservative. A root canal is just simply a treatment of the alive organic inside part of the tooth. It imitates the outer shape of the tooth, and then that part is where you have the nerve and where you have the biggest amount of sensation sent back to your brain when you're in pain. So the root canal is basically going in there to remove the infection and fill it up with a sealer material. We would never here at Stone Lodge suggest to a patient to replace a tooth that could easily and naturally be restored to be replaced by an implant. We will always be conservative, and we will always be with the intentions to preserve what is natural, which is the best. In our clinic at Stone Lodge Dental, we offer to our patients the most transparent presentation of their oral health. We're always open to discuss and do a consultation for their oral health situation, whether they need a root canal, whether they need an implant, whether they need a transformation, whether they need a simple treatment. So please give us a call and let us be part of your transformation into a better oral health.